Welcome to the Kemp IT Law vlog. I'm Richard Kemp, and this is the first in a short series of 3 vlogs that looks at data governance and management inside the organisation. In this vlog, we look at the challenges that organisations face to put in place comprehensive yet practical data governance. Now, we've all got used over the last couple of years or so to extensive sets of detailed tech regulation coming out of Brussels. These new rule books have a common ancestor in GDPR and have been broadened out to cover AI, access to data, competition, critical infrastructure, information security, operational resilience, and online services. And while each rulebook puts in place extensive management requirements around policies, transparency and accountability, reporting, contract terms and the like, it's proving to be a bit of a challenge in practice to weave all these requirements together under an umbrella that governs the organisation's data as a whole. So, why so difficult? We've developed an 8-layer framework for data that's common to all businesses to help the legal analysis of data in the organisation. The stack in the graphic on your screen covers infrastructure and architecture at the bottom, rising up through intellectual property, contracting and data regulation, to data governance and management at the top. As organisations' data estates grow ever more rapidly, the start point is data as it enters the organisation. We can superimpose this onto the 8-layer stack as shown in the graphic. And you can break the input data down by data source, and lawyers will typically be dealing with structured data that the organisation licenses in from its providers. But it's important to realise that an estimated 80% of an organisation's data will be unstructured, things like text files, IoT data, types of AI data, etc. Data as input is then processed using multiple platforms, both internal on-prem and external in cloud. Here, AI applications look forward to generate insights and forecast, while traditional applications look back for historical business intelligence. Data as input from multiple sources, as processed on multiple platforms, is then output for multiple purposes based on internal and external use cases, as shown on the graphic. And it's this combination of growing regulation, large data volumes, and high rates of growth that gives organizations a headache when it comes to applying a structured approach to data management and governance. Our next vlog in this short series looks at how organizations can approach data management in a structured way. If you'd like to find out more, please check out our white paper at the address shown on your screen.